Welcome to IMG. My name is Manny Iglesias. Folks, for those of you who have been looking for a while and paying attention to the precious metals, do you recall $850 gold? $1,000 gold. That seems like an eternity. And yet, many of you are still on the sidelines. We witnessed $1,500 gold. And the world continues on the same path. In other words, we don't see any signs of improvement on any of the fundamentals that are of great importance for the precious metals. What do I mean? We have more economic conflicts, wars, the possibility of more financial disasters on the horizon. And gold loves chaos, fear. You see any improvement? I don't see any improvement on the horizon. If we look at the debt, we've talked about this before. You see any improvements? The world is going to, at one point in time, no matter how many times you decide to kick the can down the road, at one point in time, we will face a severe debt crisis or a collapse in many segments of the world, in many areas around the world, different countries. We've talked over the years about the U.S. bond market and how the U.S. bond market is less attractive to foreign investors. We talked about that on various occasions over the years. But put that into its proper place today. You think with the flight from the US dollar and the BRICS gaining more traction, which they actually have done quite a bit of work and continue to do a significant amount of transactions outside of the dollar, and that popularity and that whole system gaining more ground, do you see more investors, countries coming into the U.S. bond market? Or do you see that problem actually getting worse? All of these things are conducive to higher precious metals prices. This is the third year where central banks continue to acquire gold at an amazing pace. They're building an asset which is really opposite to their main product, which is physical currencies. But yet they're treating gold as a currency, not as a reserve asset. These are the things that should motivate you. For those of you who have been looking at these prices, have seen the significant appreciation over the years, how this product keeps up with inflation. And let's not even talk about inflation. You guys see what's going on. What do you expect? All of this is conducive to higher prices over time. The next chapter is right in front of us. Take appropriate action. There is no way for you to have any degree of success, to experience any of this potential, unless you are active and you do something about it. Take action. Contact IMG. I wish you all the very best.